we'll walk you through how to make a private YouTube video public on your phone. If you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe and like the video. Once you're on YouTube, you may have previously set your video to private when uploading, or changed it later. Now you simply want to switch it back to public. A public video can be seen by anyone on YouTube and may appear in search results and recommendations. To start, open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your account page. From there, tap View Channel at the top to open your channel page. If you're not on the correct account, tap Accounts in the top left corner and switch to the right one. Next, go to the Videos section of your channel. Scroll through your uploads to find the video you want to change. You can also filter by private to locate it faster. Once you find the video, tap the three dots next to it and select Edit. In the settings, look for visibility, then change it from private to public. Finally, tap the back arrow in the top left corner and press Save in the top right corner. Your video will now be updated and made public.